Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Start with Jenny. Hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all gonna be about it's a makeup comparison video. So today I'm gonna compare ELF Cosmetics Halo Glow Filter versus the Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter. So I'm gonna compare both of these products and show both of these all together on one side of my face. Yeah, so let's see my review and what's my take on each of these products and which ones win and which one loses. So let's see all of these in today's video. So let's get right into the video without any further delay. So first, I'm going to just speak about the description and what it does, the quantity, the pricing difference and everything. So first, let me speak about ELF Cosmetics Halo Glow Filter. So this is in the shade medium tan, and this is like a perfect match for my skin tone. It comes in this beautiful glass bottle. It contains 31.5 ml of the product and comes in this huge doe food applicator, something like this. So let me just swatch the shade medium tan for you, and this is how it looks like. So I really love the packaging. The pricing, it's like now the current price is around 1,750 in India. It's an MRP price and it's available at Nika. Speaking about the product description and what is the brand claims on ELF Cosmetics Halo Glow Filter is that they say it provides a healthy and radiant look. It can be used in four and multiple ways, and it also contains skin-loving ingredients like squalene and hyaluronic acid. Yeah, so this is like it provides a glowy, dewy skin. And coming to the Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter, it comes with this frosted glass bottle packaging and it contains 11 gram of the product. It comes in this rose gold cap, which looks classy and good, and it comes with this medium sized doe food applicator. So speaking about the swatch, so this is in the shade Espresso, and this is how it looks like. The MRP pricing of Inside Cosmetics is somewhere around 280. So it contains 11 gram of product and the pricing is around 280. So regarding Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter, what they say is it is infused with skin-loving ingredients like squalene and vitamin E. It adds lit from within glow. It is multi-purpose, lightweight, and waterproof formula. They say that it gives an even radiant finish. So this is what the packaging, pricing, and the product description of Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter. So I'm going to use Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter on my right side and ELF Cosmetics Halo Glow Filter on my left side. So I'm using the shade Espresso from Inside Cosmetics. So let's see how it blends. Yeah, it is like a pretty good match and it blends like a dream, guys. It just blends in seconds. It is so good. Yeah, I really like how easy it is to blend. It did not emphasize my skin texture, and yeah, it does not provide much coverage, but the main functionality is to just give the glowy skin, right? I guess it just provides a beautiful glowy subtle finish. Yeah, this side is so good. So now let's try out the ELF Cosmetics Halo Glow Filter. So I'm in the shade medium tan. So let's try out this side. So this is how the blending is. It is like it provides a slight amount of coverage, like a sheer coverage. And again, it blends like a dream. It blends so beautifully, and the glowy effect is more brighter than the Inside Cosmetics. As you can see, it just blends in so well and gives that a very dewy, glowy finish. Yeah, even this side, it did not emphasize my skin texture, which is quite good. Yeah, so this is more glowy and dewy when compared to Inside Cosmetics one. So this is how the Inside Cosmetics side looks like, and this is how ELF Cosmetics side looks like. So I'll just complete off my other base makeup and I'll be right back and let's see how it works on layering off further products in my base makeup. So I've completed my entire look, guys. So this side I've tried the Health Cosmetics Halo Glow filter, and this side I've tried the Inside Cosmetics Radiance filter. So you can see the difference on the glowiness and the dewiness is much more better on the Elf Cosmetics side when compared to the Inside Cosmetics side. Speaking about the Inside Cosmetics side first, I would say it provides a mild glowy look to the skin. Yeah, so it does not even give that dewy finish. It just provides that glowy look, like from within glow look, very, very mild, like very none too noticeable way it is. So this is how it looks like. Now speaking about the elf cosmetics one, can you see it provides a dewy glowy look. It's like a natural glow from within, and I prefer always like that. It's super glowy dewy, and I really like this side. Yeah, even without applying any blush or a highlighter, this is how my skin looks like after just applying a foundation and a loose powder. So if you ask my preference, I would say I like the Elf Cosmetics one much more better when compared to the Inside Cosmetics one. So I would rate the Elf Cosmetics Halo Glow Filter a 9.5 on 10, and I would rate the Inside Cosmetics one, the Radiance Filter one, 8.5 on 10. So if you are in a budget and you want a very affordable product for that glowy skin kind of a look, then you can try out the Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter. But if you really want that dewy glowy look without the use of highlighters, and if you do have quite a amount of budget, then you can definitely go on for this Elf Cosmetics Halo Glow Filter. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, comment down below what more video do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page, Style for the Journey, for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content, because I do post more regularly over there. Also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. If you love to watch such comparison video, long form review videos, and long form hauls, makeup tutorials, and so, you can definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's it for today's video, guys. Until next time, bye bye.